Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I'm here to share with you a fabulous centerpiece. The inspiration? These amazing lilies. Living coral is such a flower-friendly color, and the lilies are a perfect example. If you've seen our videos before, you may remember these lilies. Yes, I used them in a bridal bouquet with a soft pastel palette. But now, in a centerpiece with a bolder palette, these flowers too are from florabundance.com, and it was so easy. Go online, search by color, search by flower, but I was looking for bolder. So I started with the lilies. I knew I wanted those. And then I found these gorgeous roses. They're called Shimmer, and the color is enhanced so well. Then look to the center. The yellow went bolder. Look at these butterfly ranunculus. Aren't those amazing? And then the bold green hydrangea, a bit of kale, and these fabulous Gerberas in the coral color, they too are perfect with the lilies. The container, this beautiful birch bark rectangle, it's waterproof. Filled it with floral foam, soaked with flower food. I didn't want to mar the edges with tape, so instead I used anchor pins. 4 of them across the bottom to secure this in. That way I don't have to worry about tape showing anywhere. Then I can begin my flowering, starting with the base materials first. The hydrangea, the kale. Now this has been hydrated using quick dip, so it's nice and sturdy, not going to be an issue at all. So just giving it a cut and placing it directly in the foam, making sure it's in deeply because hydrangea are very thirsty. So by putting them in clear into the foam, you're sure there's going to be a water source to keep them alive. Also adding in the kale. So I'm thinking about the larger blooms first, making sure that I've got plenty of room for them, and then the other flowers, the softer things, can easily go over the top. If you were doing a green and white wedding, wouldn't this be grand? Just fill it in with a little bit of foliage. It'd be great. Now you can see I've done the front and the back because it is all sided, but I wanted to focus on the coral. So going back now, adding in the roses. The shimmer rose is so gorgeous. Again, tucking it in low so that it will get into the water. Grouping them so that you get value, bringing some out to the side, some through the center, and then making sure you fill both the front and the back. Then the Gerberas. These two have been hydrated with quick dip and flower food, so their necks are firm and straight, easy. If you need care and handling tips, check out the website, flowerschool.com. Just type in Gerbera care in the search instructions and you'll find it. Filling in, again grouping, some a little lower, creating terracing, and then continuing with more roses and more Gerberas. I saved the best for last. The lilies are so grand, but by placing them last, I can ensure they show well and that I don't damage any of their petals. Just breaking them down, giving it a cut, and then sliding it into the design, adding that bit of drama. Not forgetting the buds. The buds are beautiful too. Go ahead and use those. Placing them in, and then the butterfly ranunculus, just pulling them out. So graceful. And then breaking them apart, using both the buds and the blooms, letting them come out just a little bit taller over the top for a very graceful touch. The lily, that was the start of the bouquet. And then I had so much fun shopping on the florabundance.com website, gathering other materials. And then I found the butterfly ranunculus. And that's really the star of this bouquet, in my opinion. Love them. They're so delicate. They make me think of the little buttercups that I'd see out in the fields in my childhood. And they add such a delicate touch to the design. Now you'll find yours at florabundance.com, and then you'll find more creative inspiration at flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us there or pick up the telephone at 503-223-8089. We are here to help. But now, it's your turn. Gather your flowers, Create a beautiful bouquet. Then take a picture, post it on social media, and tag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see your creativity as you do something you love.